is multitasking destroying your mind and reducing your productivity? We have heard it before. Multitasking is less productive than focusing on one task at a time. But did you know that multitasking can damage your brain? Yes. Research has found that people who are bombarded with external distractions left and right and respond to these distractions have a more challenging time focusing, recalling information, and having a more difficult time organizing their thoughts than those who focus on a single task at a time. How multitasking damages your brain? According to studies, our brains are built to focus on one thing at a time. Many people believe that multitasking can get you to finish more tasks. But that is far from the truth. Not only are you lowering your productivity, but you are also damaging your brain. Here are the reasons why multitasking is doing more damage to our brain than good. Multitasking can lower IQ. In addition to slowing you down and lowering your productivity, multitasking lowers your IQ as well. This is because switching from one task to another hinders learning. Studies have shown that on average, students who used Facebook and responded to texts while doing schoolwork had a lower GPA and grades than those who didn't. Multitasking can lead to permanent brain damage. Research has shown that multitasking increases the production of cortisol. This is what we call the stress hormone. When our brain constantly shifts gears, it accumulates stress and tires us out. Multitasking reduces focus and concentration. When we switch from one task to another, the regions of our brain that need to focus on a task are easily distracted as well. Like the effects of drugs, our minds can also get addicted to the dopamine rush when we switch between tasks. Once it gets used to this, multitasking can be a hard habit to break. This is why you find yourself reaching for your phone when you are in a meeting or writing an email while in an important meeting. Multitasking causes stress, anxiety, and overwhelm. We all have 100 items on our to-do list, especially in a world where we are constantly bombarded with things to do, tasks to accomplish, and items to check off of that list. But multitasking isn't going to help you get those items ticked off your checklist any faster. Multitasking kills creativity. Instead of pouring out all your energy and creative juices on one project, multitasking wastes your precious creative juices. Any breakthrough and aha ideas will only pass by your brain when you switch between tasks. Multitasking can lead to burnout. Multitasking is taxing on the brain as it drains your energy. The rapid shifting that we do when we transfer from one task to another causes the brain to burn out. Here are a few ways to start small and get in the habit of focusing on one thing at a time. Don't open too many tabs on your laptop. When working on a project, resist the urge to open your email or inbox, except when your project entails that your inbox is within reach. Often we have 10 tabs open at the same time, when half of those tabs aren't related to the task we are working on. Only open tabs that are associated with the current project you are working on. Turn off your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube tabs if they aren't essential to what you are working on at the moment. Disable push notifications on your cell phone for apps that are not essential. Most of us have our social media accounts immediately turned on, whether on our phones or laptops. Turn off your Facebook or Instagram notifications for a few hours while you are working on one project. Resist the urge to check how many likes you have received on that new photo you just posted. That reply to a comment on your picture on the beach can wait. Block out your calendar and make people know that you are blocked off during this specific time. We usually get distracted by urgent phone calls while we are in the middle of a project. Have you ever tried being in the zone and writing that project report when you suddenly get interrupted by a phone call from a colleague, which could have just easily been a text message? We all get this, and sometimes we are guilty of being on the other end of the phone. Set your phone to automatically reply to a missed call that you are in the middle of an important task and that you will get back to them in X amount of time. That way, the person on the other side of the phone won't keep calling you because they would have received a message that you aren't available for a call at the moment. This is why it is a good work etiquette to send a text message first if it is okay to call. Write it down. If you are in the middle of an important task and your boss approaches you and dumps more tasks on your table, write down the essential tasks that have to be done in your current task before switching to a new one. This way, you can let go of the vital information from the prior task you were working on and can fully focus on the new task. Multitasking may seem like a way to get more things done, but you are wasting more time, energy, and hurting yourself in the process. You are asking your brain to split its attention, and it isn't wired to do that. Multitasking is not a useful skill to add to your resume, but rather a bad habit you need to stop.